Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. We're going to check out two factory fresh Teslas today, so let's get straight into it. We've already opened up the Model X, so let's quickly just get it out of that cart again and check out the detailed views of this Model X. Now onto the Model S. Again, factory fresh. This is from the 2017 series. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's in that metal flake black there. It's wearing those chrome PR5 wheels. And you know, every release of the Model X since its debut in 2015, it's always worn those PR5 wheels. So that's a pretty interesting fact. They've never changed the wheels. And I like that it's got those nice headlights on the front there. It's got the Tesla symbol on the front and the back. It's actually just a pretty cool car, and you see that nice big glass roof like the production model, and it's got a tan interior. It's really cool. The spoiler is not too big on the back of this one. It's not bad at all. You can see the Hot Wheels on the number plate there. It's actually a pretty cool car all around, and what makes it even better, it's a production car and it's a track star. So that is awesome that Hot Wheels have made this a track star, and I think it's got a lot to do with those wheels. So let's check it out. Alright, onto the track. We'll get out the Model X first and check it on the track. It's not a track star, but it's got pretty nice spinning wheels, and you can see there it went around a couple of times, but it's quite a top-heavy car, so it did fall out of the loop. But let's get that Model S on the track, the track star. Look, it's just perfect. It's so fast, goes around that loop, really cool. I think it'd be great on an even longer track. It would have no problem at all, so that's pretty cool. Now, let me know, do you have any of the other Model S that's been released, or the Model X? Which one is your favorite out of these two? Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks, everyone.